Hey guys, welcome back to MyHowTo, and today I'm going to show you how to properly eat with chopsticks. Okay, so here I have some chopsticks. You're gonna open it up and take it out of the pack like so. Pull them apart like this. Ooh, that had a little bit of smoke under that one. Alright, so what I've been told, take the chopsticks, and if you ever see, someone at a restaurant or Chinese restaurant, they're doing this with their chopsticks, they're trying to get off all the little splinters at the end, so you don't have any wood or anything stuck in your teeth or food or anything like that. So you scrape the chopsticks like that. Alright, now everyone uses chopsticks differently, but I'm going to show you how I use my chopsticks and how I properly hold them. And so what I do is I hold it almost like a pencil. So if you ever, write or anything, so you hold it kind of like this, or you can have this finger free. So you can see how I have my 3 fingers here, 1 finger there, almost like I said, almost like writing with a pencil. But you're gonna hold it about halfway, midway to the sticks. All right, you're gonna take your other stick and you're gonna put it right between the other sticks so you can easily maneuver, and you can also pick up things very easily with your chopsticks. So this is how I'm holding it, like this. I'll have my thumb here, my finger there, and I can maneuver it. All right, have something here, food or anything, you can easily pick it up and eat. Simple as that. Now, if you don't want to set your chopsticks down on a dirty table, you can also take the little wrappings that they give you. You can just fold it in half like this. Just keep folding it, and then you fold it in half again like this, and then it makes a little, like a little half triangle. And you can take your chopsticks, and I'll show you, and you can rest them on the paper like so. You guys see that? Just in case you didn't want to get your chopsticks dirty or anything like that, easily rest them on a piece of paper that comes with it, just like that. Alright guys, so that was quick, easy, and a simple way to use chopsticks. Just like that. And you can always rewind this video and you can go step by step and do it all over again. Thank you guys.